All right, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect campfire and maybe roast some marshmallows if I don't mess this up. Got to find the driest pieces. Wet wood just makes smoke and sadness. Urgh. Come on, come on. Just need one good spark. Yes! Finally! Look at that beautiful fire.
Now this is where the magic happens. Perfectly golden marshmallow coming right up.
Oh no, 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 N-O! It's on fire! Well, it's got that authentic campfire flavor. Really authentic. So maybe I'm not the greatest marshmallow chef, but hey, the fire turned out perfect. Thanks for hanging out with me in the woods today.